Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is Alwaiti World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set on remember my preference in Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the search option. Here I can write see here the remember. Let's check. It is the system settings. Remember not this. Then I will go to the search option. So how settings, here the settings, I will go to the accounts, and accounts is scrolling in below. So where the things here the Windows backup. So what if they have backup your files, apps, reference to restore them across device? Click here. The thing is I want to set on this. See, remember my preference. So quickly access your preference across Microsoft experience. Let's check. There have multiple option. I have right now off, and also the thing has been by default off. So when I turn on this thing, so turn on this thing, and the thing has been visible. So let's check. See, the thing has been visible. So in this way we can set the remember my preference this thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.